New to air guns and looking for a safe way to practice at home? Today I'll show you how to make your very first pellet trap. It's simple, inexpensive, quiet, and it keeps shooting safe and fun. Hello, I'm Mark Reed. So for this, all you need are a few basic supplies. A sturdy cardboard box or plastic bucket, a stack of old magazines, t-shirts, rubber mulch, or a thick piece of duct seal putty, which you can find at your local hardware store or home supply company. You'll need tape or staples, and of course some paper targets. And all these items are cheap, easy to find, and are perfect for slowing down and trapping pellets. You'll take your bucket or box and fill the inside with your preferred stopping material. And so today I'm using a plastic bucket and duct seal putty to make an extra quiet trap. Rubber mulch is also super easy to use and is also very quiet. It's also less expensive than duct seal putty, but a little bit more difficult to contain once you've shot out the front of your target. Next, you'll tape or staple your paper target to the front of the box or the bucket. Always place your pellet trap in a safe site or against a solid backstop just in case you miss. Never ever use a thin cardboard box alone. You'll want multiple layers of stopping power. Now, let's give it a go. And that's it. In just a couple of minutes, you've got a safe, effective, quiet, and reusable pellet trap to start your airgun journey. So if this was helpful, give the video a like and please subscribe for more beginner-friendly airgun tips. Until next time, shoot safe and have some fun.